Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you disabling two settings that can help your Windows 11 to fix lag and boost FPS. Very simple, you just need to come over into your start icon, or you can simply come over into your start icon and then you just need to click on settings, and then you just need to come over in privacy and security, go for Windows security. As you can see, you just need to come over device security, go for the core isolation details, and from here you just need to turn off this memory integrity like me. As you can see, it's turned it off. And after that, the second disabling option will be come over into the search option and going to search for turn Windows feature on or off. Click on that, and after that you just need to find out the Hyper-V and you just need to uncheck it. And that's it. These two settings you must need to disable for your computer that can help you to fix lags and your boosting FPS in gaming. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.